Okay, you can't do top 10 foods of Japan, or Osaka for that matter, without going to Uncle Rikuro's for the famous Jiggly Cheesecake. So come on, what are you waiting for? Hello! Want some cheesecake? So we're here at Rikuro Cheesecake. So exciting. Shell's getting some extra shots for me. I want lots of nice pictures of this. It smells delicious, and it's located inside a 7-Eleven store, believe it or not. And the guy in front of me here is drunk as a skunk. He's absolutely plastered, barely stand. That's going to add a bit of, ooh, nearly went. It's going to add a bit of drama at the counter. Not even sure how he knows how to order. He stinks of booze and he's absolutely hammered. Little drama to our cheesecake purchase.
お待たせいたしました。紙袋はあと3枚で2枚で。はい。
もうそれでいいわ。
あ、よりさんの焼きたてふわふわのチーズケーキいかがでしょうか。1425円。こちらも同じ焼きたてでご用意しております。ただいま焼き上がりましたチーズケーキは全部で12個でございます。お待ちいただきましてありがとうございます。あ、すいません。605円です。すいません。失礼しました。725円。
Oh, I got to the front of my queue. Oh, it smells good, huh?
275円のお返しとレシートでございます。お待たせいたしました。どうもありがとうございます。お待たせいたしました。
Oh man. So you've got to get in the queue. They come out fresh and hot. We're right in the big station though. These are always near the station. The last one we went to was by the station too. I'm not taking this home. We've got to have this while it's hot. But I'm in 7-Eleven. I'm not sure how that's going to work. Hello. Want some cheesecake? Man, look at this. Still nice and wobbly. It's like a big, like one of those jellos you get. We've got nothing to cut it with, Michelle.
Just break it.
Just break it?
Gotta try it when it's hot.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'll make a little table, a little tray. Oh, breaking. Got nothing to cut this with. Look, there's the wobble on the cheesecake. So I can't really think any other way to go for this than just break a lump off. Wow, look at that. Oh, the eggy, it's got a lovely egg smell, like fresh egg. Oh man, that is so good. I'm so hungry. You can just suck that in, look. It's really, really eggy and soft and fluffy, like a cloud. There's almost nothing. I mean, you've got to try this Japanese cheesecake really to fully appreciate how good they are. 100% in my top 10 Osaka treats, but also in the top list of probably all the foods I've had in Japan. I've got a sweet tooth. This is delicious. This is almost not like I expected. It's very eggy. Even if you don't like egg, I got a feeling you should try it anyway, because it's like egg whites or like a meringue. It's so soft. Michelle's desperate to get some.
He'll eat it all otherwise.
We're so hungry. We walked so far to find this place, because even when we got to the station here, we could see on the Google where it was, but it's multiple levels and a huge complex. I think we've been about 25 minutes trying to find the actual shop, and it turned out it's inside 7-Eleven, so we'd walked past it twice. It was a great shame that while we were there, the guy was so drunk. I mean, he was no trouble, and I think the girls were a little bit embarrassed by it all, and so were most of the other customers.
It's very light, isn't it?
It is very light. You can eat a lot of it, and I'm just sort of scooping it out, almost like fluffy egg. And about 725 yen, which I think is actually good value for a cheesecake like this. Yeah. We're not well prepared. We've got no spoons. I didn't realise, I don't know what I was thinking really, whether I was expecting them to cut it up for us or whether I thought we were going to take it back and have it, but as soon as you smell it, you know you're going to eat it straight away. So it's just hands. Look how wobbly that still is. It's super hot and really delicious. I think it's testament to the fact that we're completely destroying it.
I can't tell you what it tastes like cold because there's not going to be any left.
I suspect it wouldn't be as nice cold. I think this is a hot cheesecake. It's got to be hot. I think once it's gone cold, you'll have lost some of its the delicate flavours that make egg nice. It's a little bit like cold scrambled egg. You know, if you like cold scrambled egg, go for it. But I think this has to be eaten warm. Thank you.